you don't. You're tight right there. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Relax your shoulders. There we go. And way down here on the side. Stay loose. There we go. Now face down. Take a deep breath in. Cut it all the way out. Turn your head to the right. And to the left.
Oh, wow, I feel that.
Feel that, don't you? Right there. Relax your shoulders.